crashed.
Hi guys, we are at the beach now. We've been here for a little while. Say hi guys.
Hey.
Hey. So we went in the water, and Jesse and I did, and we went boogie boarding.
It was pretty cool.
But
The waves are insane.
But yeah, the waves, like, explain how the waves are.
So normally you'd want to catch a wave right when it curls, and as it pushes you out, you ride it into the coast. But the way these waves are is it's a very big, like 10-foot wave, and right before it crashes, another wave below it forms, and then it just pushes you down to the sand and just gets you into a rip curl underwater.
So he caught like 3 good waves, and I didn't catch any. But the waves I did try to catch, they did that same thing to me. They like twisted me under. And the first wave, I smashed my face on the ground, and then the other 2, I just got stuck under there for a long time and had to hold my breath. Beach right now. We live somewhat close to it in California, and it's pretty nice, but the waves, like I said, they're not so good. They're kind of crazy, but the weather is super nice. It was cloudier earlier this morning, and now it's like just super clear, as you can see, and really sunny, so it feels really good. So we're just laying here and getting a tan and eating berries. Delicious berries. Okay guys, we're down at the beach now. We've been doing handstands for a little while. Hey! Jesse, like when he first started, he could just do a tiny little bit of a handstand, but now he's getting better. He's perfecting it. So we're probably gonna leave now, go to church. I guess I'll say goodbye here. I will see you next week. I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing for my video next week, but yeah, say bye guys.
Bye.